Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds Creative Zen Air Pro support wireless charging? So, if we put these earbuds at the wireless charging station, right here we can see the LED light at the wireless charging station, and the most important that we can see it at the charging case. And it means that it's charging, so amazing. And my short answer is yes, it supports wireless charging. But also, we can use reverse wireless charging. If your phone supports this technology, you need to enable it in the settings, and you can also put it on your phone. Now we need to find position, and as you can see, again we have this LED light, so it means that it's also charging your earbuds. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!